Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? That's right, you know by that big red and black box, especially how it says Kershaw, you know we're going to take a look at something awesome by him. That's right, today is the Believer. I saw this on Kershaw when they were having a sale, and I figured, why not? I think they were doing like 40% off or something like that. But before I get too close into it, as usual with Kershaw, they go into a whole bunch of important information about your knife, about all that other wonderful stuff, how to take care of it, and that fun that we're going to get into here, like right about now. Alrighty, there she is in all of her glory. I liked it. Nice, small, compact, had a really neat look right here on the blade. And I'll be honest with you, I honestly thought in the picture that I saw that this was going to be some kind of white G10 material, but I like it. You know, it's got a very unique feel in hand. It fits in there nicely, especially with that palm swell and that little finger troll going on right up there. It's got a great fit. All right, let's get into the fun like we usually do. It's got an overall length of 7.30 inches. The blade is 3.25, enclosed it's 4.125. It's got a modest weight to it of 3.8 ounces, and it is done in what they call the modified clip point style. I really can't call that drop point, but I know someone out there is going to tell me how stupid I am. So, I'd like to know what you guys think it is. Now, it's got a flat grind with a plain edge, and the blade steel is HCR 13 MOV. I know, budget steel, it's not a bad steel. It'll take an edge, it'll hold an edge for a while, but you're going to get used to sharpening your blade. And that's part of the fun, isn't it? Now, you got a stainless steel frame. You got a frame lock. And what I like is it's got a speed safe open, which just means it'll ratchet out there in a safe kind of manner with that little flipper. Makes it beautiful. You can carry it left hand, right hand style, and it's only tip up. Some of the things that I really truly liked is you can see the black oxide, the steel pivot thing here, and it's got like the little brass inlays around there as well. And on the back, you can see the bronzed anodized tube spacers. I thought those were neat little touches to it that kind of set it apart. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. Now, let's do the cut tests that we like to do. If you guys are brand new to my channel, we usually only do 3, okay? The real simple ones. First one up, as always, heavy-duty stock paper. Yeah, well, okay, we'll go with that. Wasn't as good a one as I like, but still. Okay? The reason I go looking for those curly cues, guys, is anyone can take a blade and just go, sharp. But I've been taught if you can draw your blade across it slowly and just keep, an even pressure as I tear the paper. But look right there. A little curly cue that was forming. That's what should happen. Not just me tearing paper like a friggin' moron, but still. Alright. Paracord. Like we usually do. That's what that was. Okay. Alright, let's go for the pull test. Had to put a little effort into there, but still, went through okay. Not as much effort as the last one I did, but still. Slice test, no problem. And our buddy Mr. Ratchet Strap, who was quickly coming to the end of his life. Alright. Yeah, no problem. Alright, and as we always do, take a look at the blade. I really don't see a lot of fuzzies on there, or anything else. So, not bad. Okay, so I took a look for it out in the usual areas. Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's going to run you $43.12. Kershaw, $64.99. And Blade HQ, $39.95. The only place it's been reviewed so far is Blade HQ. It's been reviewed once, and it got a 5 out of 5-star rating. But here's the best part of this video for me. I want to know that's right, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know, do you think she's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? As a daily carry, I kind of like it. I didn't spend an awful lot on it. It fits great in hand. It's done everything I've wanted it to do so far, so I can't ask for anything more, But that's just my feelings on that one. Now, let's get all this other fun stuff out of the way. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're giving me your time today. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Why don't you leave me a comment down below in the comment section what I can do to implement possibly in a future video to go ahead and earn your subscription. We'll see if we can put it to good use. Now, after you've done that, take a look right here. You can see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it will notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos that we all love, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Believer. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you are being safe and having an enjoyable day today.